Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Marvel Spider-Man 2 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings for your gameplay. So let's get started right away. Now, when you open up the Spider-Man 2 game on your device, it might open up the launcher where you can tap on the settings button in order to access your display and graphic options. Now, within the display settings, make sure that full screen is turned on and your desired resolution is selected. If you wish to use any upscale method, such as DLSS or FSR, then you can toggle these within the upscale method options. After choosing your desired method, you may choose the quality as well. Then tap on graphics, and now you can choose your desired graphic preset. This might depend on your graphic resources. You may try using the high or very high settings at first, and then tap on the OK button. Then you can play the game to see how these settings will perform. Now, if your gameplay is smooth and you don't notice any issues, then you are good to go. Otherwise, you can access the settings while pausing your game as well. And from the pause menu, just tap on settings. Within the settings page, tap on display and graphics. And now you can press the E button or click on graphics at the top section. Now, once again, you can choose the various different presets. In order to reduce the preset, you can simply tap on the arrow at the left side. You can check in real time how each of these options will look. After choosing your desired setting, you can close this menu and then continue playing with this new setting. Once you have achieved a satisfying balance of performance and quality, then you can start playing the game in an optimized setting with the highest performance available right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Marvel Spider-Man 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.